Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the most practical and powerful tools on the market. Today, we're featuring the best clamp light available right now. The WARSUN Work Light, a 1500 lumen rechargeable LED work light that sets a new standard for what a compact portable light can do. Right out of the box, the WARSUN Work Light makes a bold impression. Its sturdy design comes in a high-visibility yellow casing, making it easy to spot even in a cluttered garage or a dim construction site. The build quality feels solid, and it's clearly designed for real-world use, not just for looks. This light means business. Let's talk brightness. This little powerhouse delivers up to 1,500 lumens of intense, wide-beam cob LED illumination. That means no more squinting under the hood of your car or fumbling around in dark corners of your workshop. Whether you're working on emergency repairs, DIY home projects, or just trying to illuminate a poorly lit area, this light floods the space with a clean, powerful glow. What makes this WARSUN Work Light stand out isn't just how bright it is, it's how smartly it's been designed for versatility. You've got 3 lighting modes to choose from: high, low, and strobe. The high mode gives you the full 1,500 lumens for maximum visibility, while the low mode helps conserve battery life when you just need a softer light. And then there's strobe, great for emergency signaling or roadside assistance. Now, let's look at how it's powered. The WARSUN Work Light is fully rechargeable via USB, eliminating the need for disposable batteries. You can plug it into a power bank, wall outlet, or even your car. A full charge gives you hours of dependable light, and there's a clear battery indicator so you're never caught off guard. It's a tool you can rely on when it matters most. One of the standout features of this work light is the magnetic base. You can attach it securely to any metal surface, under a car hood, on a toolbox, even a steel beam. The choice is yours. The head of the light rotates, allowing you to direct the beam with precision. Whether you need it pointed straight ahead, downward, or angled, the WARSUN gives you full control over your lighting setup. It's this level of adjustability that really puts it ahead of other work lights in its class. Size-wise, it's compact enough to fit in a toolbox or glove compartment, but it doesn't feel flimsy. It's rugged and built for rough conditions. Whether you're out in the rain, dust, or dealing with oil and grime, this light handles it without complaint. And let's not forget, this also makes a fantastic gift. Whether for Father's Day, birthdays, or just a thoughtful tool for someone who loves working with their hands, this is one of those products that will actually get used, and appreciated. With 1,500 lumens of adjustable cob LED light, USB rechargeability, a magnetic base, and rugged durability, it's more than just a flashlight. It's a full-on lighting solution for your toughest jobs. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this helpful, give us a like, subscribe for more real-world product reviews, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next video. Let us know in the comments where you'd use the WARSUN Work Light, and stay lit, stay working.